always not working. I have done it many times, but the result is always the same.
Leah, why aren't you back yet?
Oh, Mr. Luke, I have tried to weld this iron together, but...
Creating something is not easy. It requires a lot of patience and the right technique. You can use welding robot to fix your problems.
Welding robot?
A welding robot is a programmable machine that performs welding operations automatically or semi-automatically. It uses robotic arms equipped with welding tools, like torches or electrodes, to precisely execute welds according to preset programs. It's okay, I can teach you. Before that, let me change my clothes first. Alright, let's go. First, click at Proposer Edit. It will come up like this. Next, select at My Home, Procedure, Main Module. Then you go to this. This is Home Program. Click plus and cursor to PP. It will come out like this. This is for one move. After that, we move the robot again. It became a second command. Click cursor to PP and we move the robot again with following the shape. For closing, we need to click Go to Position and move the robot back to Settings. If you want to check, you can start again.
Whoa! Can I try it, sir?
Sure, here.
Yay, it's done!
Congrats, Leah.
Thank you so much, Mr. Luke.
You're welcome.